Hi, welcome again. Look how many luggages I am bringing now. This. So, this video I'm going to share that a lot of foreigners from different countries are coming to China to open business or work. It's very good opportunity for them to make money. Do you understand why? Because right now, a lot of industries in China are moving to different places because we have a lot of products. A lot of products are flooding in the world now, and you have the market. So that's why foreigners, I'm saying you, are coming here to open offshore office or onshore office, like to cooperate with people here. Let the business move very fast. Look, it's very big. So some people are asking me like where they need to go for some specific products like clothing, shoes, luggage, hair products, machines, all kind of different products. Because in China we have like the production hub for certain products. Like different cities are producing different products in China, very big. So you need to know where to go for. So for example, where I'm located in Hong Kong and Guangzhou, where are the business hub for people to come here to do business, because all the commercials here are located here in Guangzhou and Hong Kong. And when they come here, they can see different products. Because all the factories are having a product show here, convenient for people to check the quality. Because if you go to the village very far away, it's inconvenient. Of course, sometimes I would take my customers to go to some places to check everything. So like I'm doing right now, to collect products for my customers. So I'm waiting for my train now because I'm coming back. This. You cannot imagine that now what's happening in China, because now more and more companies are going out to open an office to find a market, because the products we cannot sell, we have more than enough products in China, and we cannot sell here. So all the factories need to sell the products to the world. And with the upgrading supply chain in the world, do you think we still have this competitive cost compared to Mexico, Vietnam, and other Southeast countries? Of course, I think we have, because we have a very efficient mature supply chain in China. That's why people still come here. To do business, to open business. And if you have a very high degree, like master degree, I would suggest you to come here, because once you come here, the government will give you some supporting policies. That's why some people are very smart now. They come here to settle down here. They will give you, for example, when the graduating students come here to work and do business, the government will give them some places to live for certain months, and can also get some money. They can also get some money from the government to support your business to live here. Of course, not every place like this in China. So if you are interested, if you want to know more about here, China, contact me. We can build a connection here. So I'm moving now. Make another video for you guys.